Hello. I'm doing this on my animal documentary in my backyard. I think it was a bird, and now I'm starting an animal documentary. So in other words, yeah, I'm gonna be exploring my backyard looking for animals. And I hope y'all learned something. And if y'all don't, well, I hope you saw something cool. So this is my backyard. We're gonna be exploring it and hopefully finding some very cool creatures. Now, this is very serious. I'm in the middle of my backyard, covered by a bunch of trees and animal. At any point in time, you can just run up and attack. So I must fight. And it's some noises. Stick. Hand reveal. Epic. Alright. I hear something. Ready with my weapon. I must get this on camera. What is it? What fierce beast lies in the forest? So we're gonna find out on this episode of my nature documentary. Oh, and the ground's really soft. There's a bunch of bricks. Maybe if I see the fierce beast, I can hit him over the head. Don't see anything. Heard something? Did I just hear something? Maybe going crazy. Tell me, do y'all hear anything? There's some strange noises, and I have to figure out what it is. Anyway, do you want to know a fun fact about animals? Oh yeah, I forgot you can't talk to me. I'm gonna tell you it anyway, whether you like it or not. The first animal to exist was a dog. They're fierce creatures, capable of mass destruction. But over the years, what was that? Over the years, they've become kind and loving. But next to dinos, they're the fiercest creature on the face of the earth. And then there was the dino themselves. Then 500 years later, George Washington became president. And then he made up these things called laws. And now we have to follow them. Just rules. Tell me in the comments if you think that weirdly resembles a hand and that piece of tree is an arm. Because it kind of does to me. Now, this is going to be it for the first episode of the nature documentary. We have not caught anything yet, but I know that eventually we're going to catch a wild animal. And you're going to love my nature documentary. Anyway, see you guys next time in the next episode of my nature documentary. The That's the title of my nature documentary. We haven't found anything yet, but eventually we will find something. It'll be the coolest episode. And yeah, just subscribe for more.